Good morning, students. Here we are going to see something more about the visually challenged people and the aids used by them. Students, let us see some of the non-optical aids used by the visually challenged people. Braille writer, slate, and stylus are some tactile aids which helps them to read and write. They even use raised line drawing boards and abacus for mathematical calculations. Now let us see some optical aids used by visually challenged people. Though lenses concave and convex are very commonly used, but some modified aids are also available such as solar shields, lighted reading glasses, magnifier, and even the smarter digital magnifier and glasses with telescope. Other than optical aids and non-optical aids, there are some modern aids also available for the visually challenged people which can bring revolution in their life, such as braille keyboard which can be used in computers and some peg slate which they can easily write and read. Now let us know about some well-known visually challenged people such as Helen Keller. She was an American author, activist and lecturer. She was the first deaf and blind person to graduate from college. She was not born blind and deaf. She fell ill when she was 19 months old, and the illness did not last for a particularly long time, but it left her deaf and blind. Keller became a famous speaker and author of books like The Story of My Life. She is remembered as an advocate for people with disabilities. Ravindra Jain, a music composer, a lyricist, and a singer, was born completely blind. He got Sangeet Prabhakar degree from Allahabad. He is an Indian music composer who won the Filmfare Best Music Director Award in 1985. He has also composed music for many television serials like Ramayana. Lal Advani. Advani did not let his blindness come in the way of his work for the blind and other disabled people in the country. He was one of the founder members of Disabled Rights Group, which was instrumental in the passage of the Disability Act in 1995. He served as a joint secretary in the Ministry of Social Welfare, besides working as the director of the National Institute for Visually Handicapped, Dehradun. Advani was also the secretary of the Asian Blind Union. He also represented India in UNESCO for Braille problems. Marla Runyan. She is a marathon runner who is blind. She is a three-time national champion in the women's 5000 meters. Runyan's career as a world-class runner began in 1999 at the Pan American Games, where she won the 1500-meter race. She is from Santa Maria, California. After knowing about the lives of such a great visually challenged people, let us pledge to donate our eyes after that. That can be done by any healthy person of any age. All that is needed is a healthy cornea, and the eye have to be removed within the 6 hours of the death. Let us donate our eye after death and give sight to a blind.